a whole season, but the only thing that I know is for sure in top football, especially in a big club like Panathinaikos, that is that you need to find your way to create the results during that period. Friendly games is one thing, competitive games is a totally other thing. I don't expect us to be perfect in every game situation from now on and the next weeks. We need time to do that. That's how it is when you work in football. But the thing that we cannot discuss is that we need to get the results during that period where we're gonna build up a totally new team. But in terms of perfection, I think it's unrealistic to expect from my side towards the players that when you take 10, 12 players out, put maybe in 4 weeks, then we are in the same amount of players in, then everything is not going to be perfect, but we need to find a way to get the results both in European games and when we start with the domestic games in the Greek league in a little bit less than 1 month.